सकाळी हे शिष्टमंडळ गोवा युनिवर्सिटी कॅम्पसांतले डॉक्टर श्यामप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमार पावले. उपरांत तांणी पेडे खेळा संकुलात विजीट दिली. हांगा फॅसिलिटी खूब बऱ्यो आसा अशें AFC फुटसाल संचालक अली म्हणटा.
We are in inspection to see the possibilities and look at the opportunities the country have to start futsal in the country and developing the country's futsal sport side. We had a meeting in the federation. We had a very good meeting with the general secretary and Saviola, technical director, and the other colleague in the AIFF. So based on in 2-day inspection, the first day we had a presentation of AFC and the AIFF, what the strategy plan, what they are going to do. And in the first place, we had some sort of fact finding, and we're going to prepare the one medium and long term plan to develop futsal in the country. Just highlight this issue. Futsal is factory of the football players, is the producing football players in my perception. Many good football players, they come from the futsal field, and in future futsal can help football in your country. India is big country, is like a continent, and they play very important role in Asia. Could be the big powerhouse in future for futsal and football. Of course, this opportunity in your country, you have big nation in every state. You have infrastructure, you have facilities, and we train the coaches. We are looking for the education part of this sport. We started from 2 days ago. Referee education now is ongoing in AIFF, and my colleague Mr. Shyama is running this course. He's a FIFA instructor, and he's head of the futsal referees in AFC Asian football. So, and furthermore, we're going to have a plan for the education for the coaches.
फुटसाल सर्ती घेवचे पयलीं भारतात फुटसाल कोच घडोवचे पडटले अशें AIFFचो तंत्रीक संचालक सावियो मेदेरा म्हणटा.
This is the first time that AIFF is coming into getting into futsal. So it is not about right away to start tournaments, but for me as a technical person, I have to see that we have to develop coaches first, because in futsal also there are a lot of education to be given to the coaches. So there are 3 levels which are supposed to be done: level 1, level 2, level 3, which we did not do. Only 2011 there was one course just was held. So now I'm thinking of having more of level 1 courses, so we produce coaches, and after that then they will start coaching, and slowly we will try to come into competitions and tournaments overall. So that is what we are looking for.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ब्युरो वांगडा श्यामसुंदर फट्टे.